Hello, welcome. Let's look at this compound interest question, episode number 4. I believe at this point, if you watch the episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, you should be able to answer this in a jiffy. I'll be using only the second method we discussed in the first 3 episodes. So the second method is about the formula. So from the data, I can pick from the question we are finding compound interest on 300 cedis. This is the principal. So principal will be 300. Then this principal is being calculated with a rate of what? 20% and calculated for about what? 3 years. So if this is what we have, I can say that we can substitute in the formula amount equals to principal times 1 plus the rate times what? Time. You can check the first 2 episodes for how the formula came about. So what do? We have our 300 multiplying 1 plus rate 20%. That would be 20 over 100. So that would be 0.2, right? The time is in 3 years. So this still remain 300 multiplying 1 plus 0.2. That will be 1.2 raised to the power 3. You can find the decimal of this and multiply by 300. But I am going to put all 300 times that indices to know what the accrued amount will be. So this is going to give us 300, it should be 518.40 Ghana cedis. Remember, this is the amount. The amount you're looking for. This is the amount that we get at the end of all the 3 years. But you have to find the compound interest, the interest that we have. So compound interest is going to be the amount minus the principal. And what was the amount? The amount we found was 518.40. Then the principal was what we began with. That is 300. So I'm sure that should be giving us 218.40 pesos. So with the formula approach, it's a little bit shortened. We don't have a lengthy method. But the first approach is the step by step. You can try the step by step in the on your own and share your findings in the comment section as we interact together. Share the video, like the video, comment on it, and subscribe.